Your portfolio is sitting on lakhs of rupees and you're still falling short of margin for F&O trades? Don't sell your investments. Pledge them and get margin in just 15 minutes. Pledge your stocks and mutual funds directly in the InvestRight app. Margin credited within 15 minutes. Fast, seamless, secure. And you continue to own every stock, every unit the entire time. Also, flat 20 rupees per order keeps your F&O costs tight. And as per SEBI's collateral framework, your pledged securities stay fully protected. 50% cash, 50% non-cash, completely transparent. Here's how it works. Go to Portfolio, select your stocks or mutual funds, tap Continue to Pledge, verify with OTP, and your margin is live for F&O trades instantly. Track pledged assets anytime from your dashboard. Don't sell what you've built. Put it to work instead using Margin Pledge on InvestRight.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.